Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little unboxing from Artisan Beauty. To be honest, I do not know what this is, but let's just say it is heavy and beautiful. And I thought we would kind of open up the surprise together. But I'm imagining that it must be amazing. It's from Artisan Beauty. That is where I buy my Biologique Recherche products. That is where my dear friend Bisma is located, and I just adore her. She is my BR guru, and she said there was something special on its way and to film yourself opening this up. So this just showed up, and let's go ahead and read the card. It says, enjoy this moment of self-care with the Anniversary Beauty Box. Thank you for your trust, support, and devout loyalty. Light a candle, wear your robe, and enjoy. Love, B. That's my little Bisma. I just adore that woman. If you have not had a chance to talk to her yet or reach out to her regarding Biologique Recherche, you must do so. She is an amazing woman and we are like little soul sisters. Okay guys, first I want to show you this beautiful box here, and it did say fragile, so I'm trying to be extra gentle with this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Bisma has impeccable taste, so I am dying because I think she had a hand in creating this special anniversary beauty box. So we are going to open up the lid. Oh my gosh. So inside it has a card from Roots and Bloom, and it says, Abby, you've been gifted an Artisan Loyalist box. Your custom box includes, oh gosh, oh my gosh, you guys, this has so many good things. So what I'm going to do is actually unbox it and we can go through the list of goodies. But let me just give you, this is what this box includes. I'm dying. Oh gosh, guys, let's look this up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is packaged so beautifully. So I'm going to try to show you what this looks like. Look at this, you guys, the Roots and Bloom. It smells so amazing. Those are little roses in here, eucalyptus. Oh, literally, this is too beautiful. Oh, this is almost too beautiful to unpack. Okay, so you guys, look at this little fresh bouquet. I am dying over here. This is so pretty. And look at this flower. Oh my gosh, you guys. A cinnamon stick. You guys, it is so pretty. And it smells so amazing in here. You guys, I just love this. Look at all these gorgeous little cinnamon sticks. Some fresh rosemary. Oh my gosh. And look at a little star anise. Like, this is incredible. Oh boy, this looks like we're going to have layer after layer of goodness. So inside we have got this beautiful, inside we've got this beautiful, I believe this is a mitt scrubber, along with a beautiful artisanal soap. This is from Santa Maria. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, it smells so good. This one smells like almond a little bit. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Then we've got another beautiful set of the Lord James. These are the CBD bath salts. You guys, Bisma already gifted some of these bath salts to me for my birthday, which I just absolutely love. They smell amazing. They chill you out. And let me just show you the bottle real quick. This is what it looks like inside of the box. All of these things right now are like fantastic for gifts for the holidays as well, but this is just gorgeous. This is the high CBD formula, bath salts. Gotta take a little, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, this is like pure pampering here. Okay, next thing we have, this is from Artisan Beauty. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful candle, you guys. It smells so amazing. Let's see what kind this is. It's pink pepper, linen, and sandalwood. Oh my gosh. So good. Like this whole entire box smells amazing. When I opened this up, I was like, this is something like perfume related or something. So I could not wait to light this up. Oh my gosh, this is like the best holiday gift ever. And then you guys, we have this cute little tin. These are actual seeds. These are forget-me-not seeds. So the flower is going to be dark blue star shaped. So sweet. I love this. So a little tin of seeds to plant. I can always remember Artisan Beauty. Always remember Bisma. Then we have got some Savannah bee honey. You guys, I love honey. It is like my favorite sweetener ever. And I've always been curious about the Savannah bee company honey. So excited to give this a try. Oh, this is to go along with some beautiful Earl Grey cream black tea. I'm going to open this up and smell this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. I love Earl Grey already, but this Earl Grey cream, you can actually smell that it does. It's got a touch of vanilla in there, cornflower petals, bergamot, and of course black tea. This smells so amazing. I am dying. I can't wait to make a cup of tea. I'm going to put in a little bit of the honey in this. This box goes on forever and ever, you guys. Let's pull out the next thing. Ooh, wow. Then we've got this beautiful Creme Idrisol. And this is a thick body cream for skin stressed by the elements. It's paraben free, ideal for after a shower. Oh. And these are the kind of gifts that I love to give to others because it's just a little touch of self-care. Look at this beautiful bottle. Ooh, let's try a little bit of this rich body cream. This again is from Santa Maria Novella. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like just pure luxe. It smells so good. I still have my swatches on from over here. You guys, this is truly amazing. I cannot wait to use the bar soap and this beautiful body cream. This is so awesome. Like seriously, there's still more gifts in here. Oh, look at you guys, a little teaspoon. I think that probably went along with the honey, or I can use that to scoop out the honey. Is this the cutest box ever? I could not even believe that I was gifted this. Okay, then we have something delicious. We have a salted brown butter Texas pecan brittle. Look at that. That is going to be amazing. This is from Wildwood Chocolate. This just looks so good. A little bit of dark chocolate is fantastic for the soul. And then we have got the SkinCeuticals, and this is the Biocellulose Restorative Mask, which you guys, I have used this so many times. As I had mentioned in the past, I used to have really bad rosacea, and this was one of the masks that was so soothing to my skin. I love this. So as you can see where this is coming, I am going to completely have a self-care day using so many of these goodies. And then she sent me one of these beautiful Oleo and Oso, you guys. These are fantastic, you guys. They're like little balms. You can use them on your lips. You can use them on your cheeks. This could be used like a highlighter as well as lips, wherever you want it. I love these. I have one that's also in a tinted version. Love these. And then the finale, you guys, I am literally going to start crying. This is a beautiful bathrobe. Look at how pretty this is. This is like the ultimate gift box. Let me just show you this. Oh, look at you guys. This is so beautiful. I have to show you the details on the bottom of this. Look at it, it's such a beautiful robe, and it is so soft and luxurious. Look at the pattern on this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am in love with this beautiful robe. I have got everything I need for some major self-care. Thank you, Artisan Beauty. Thank you, Bisma. I know that you're behind this beautiful gift box, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I cannot believe that I just received such an amazing, beautiful gift box. This is just a Okay, guys, I'm literally dying over the gorgeousness of this gift. Thank you, Artisan Beauty. Thank you, Bisma. I know you're behind this exquisite gift box. This is amazing. I will treasure this forever. And I just wanted to say, I am so glad that our paths crossed this past year. You are not only my BR guru who helps me with my skincare, but you are my little sister. You are my little soul sister, fellow junkie, perfume extraordinaire, and I just appreciate you so very much. So thank you so much for making my holiday season so special. Thank you, Artisan Beauty. You guys are amazing, and you guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful unboxing. It looks like you can reach out to Artisan Beauty to kind of create your own loyalist box. This would be amazing for anybody to receive. It looks like you can customize this, so I'll have to get more details. I will reach out to Bisma and let her know, but she wanted me to do a authentic unboxing, and I literally am blown away. So I'm gonna go make a cup of tea. I'm gonna kind of relish in this beautiful robe for a little bit longer. But thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with another video soon.